Belt Tensioning Guide for the A2L. Turn off the printer and raise the X gantry to the middle position. Loosen the tensioning screw at the back of the tool head by one turn. Manually move the tool head back and forth 3 times along the X-axis. Tighten the tensioning screw back down. Move the bed forward to remove the Y-axis cover to expose the Y-belt tensioning system at the front. Loosen the 2 tensioning screws by one turn each. Then, move the heat bed back and forth along the Y-axis 3 times by hand. Tighten the tensioning screws back down. And reinstall the Y-axis cover. Push the heat bed forward. Use a 2.0mm Allen key to loosen the tensioning screws inside the 2 smaller holes shown by one turn each. Hold both ends of the X gantry and move it up and down 2 to 3 times over a distance of a few inches. Retighten the 2 tensioning screws. After powering on the printer, go to Settings, Maintenance, Calibration on the screen, select Vibration Compensation, and start the calibration. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.